morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. And thank you for taking the time to join us today. We are excited to introduce you to What the Health Company, a company driven by innovation, purpose, and a clear vision for the future. Our team has come together with a shared passion to solve a real-world problem. And today, we're here to show you not just our solution, but the impact it can make. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the opportunities we identified, our unique approach, and why we believe now is the perfect time to take this to the next level. Let's dive into the log. The logo of our company focuses on what represents energy, the spark behind movement, change, and technology. The what the hell is our way of challenging the status quo, asking bold questions, and thinking differently about wellness. We are here to energize healthier lives through the smarter tools, sustainable choices, and a fresh approach to well-being. This is not just about health. This is the what the hell. Meet the team. Our dedicated team brings diverse expertise to Smart Islam, starting with
Hi, I'm Christian Jed Coronawan, the hustler. I'm the outreach leader and ensure we meet customers' needs where affordability meets the quality.
and hi, I'm Philippine JCS Lunar, the hipster, focused on design, making Smart East both functional and stylish.
Hello, I am John Mark Contreras, the hacker who develops the technology powering Smart East.
Together, we are committed to enhancing your sleep experience. Our vision in our company is to lead the future of healthy living, where technology and design converge to support well-being, productivity, and a better quality of life. Our mission is to create smart east lamp or smart table lights to prioritize eye comfort, circadian rhythm, support the user wellness through intelligent lighting solutions. We aim to reduce eye strain, improve focus, and promote healthier daily routines, creating harmony between lights, health, and modern living. The problem: imagine lying in bed, heart racing, unable to sleep because darkness triggers your anxiety. You are not alone, because billions of people struggle with nyctophobia and stress-induced insomnia, impacting their health in daily lives. And now we're presenting the solutions. The solution is our product, the Smart Islam, your personal companion for restful nights. Our mantra is very simple. Breathe easy, sleep better, live smarter. Smart Islams combine adaptive lighting and calming aromatherapy to alleviate fear and stress, promoting quality sleep.
So we have different features for your different needs. So the first one is the adaptive lighting. So it automatically adjusts brightness and color temperature to create a soothing environment. Number two, we have aromatherapy, which emits calming lavender mist to reduce anxiety. Number three, we also have the smart sensors, which detects stress levels and adjusts settings accordingly. And the last features is the additional features, which includes wireless charging and smart home integration for convenience. With Smart Islam, a peaceful night's sleep is just a button away.
Who we help? Target market. Individuals with nyctophobia. So what is nyctophobia? Nyctophobia is the fear of the dark. Students and professionals experiencing high stress. Anyone seeking improved sleep quality. Hotels and clinics that want to help their guests relax. There are many people who need this kind of help, and we're ready to give it where affordability meets the quality. With approximately 30% of adults suffering from insomnia, the demand for effective sleep solution is substantial. Competitive advantage. So why we're different? This is why we're different. Unlike traditional nightlights or white noise machines, Smart East Lamp offers a comprehensive solution by integrating adaptive lighting, aromatherapy, and stress detection. Its sleek design and smart features set it apart in the market. Just look at that. Wow. So, money plan, simple finance talk. So, production cost per unit is 5,915 pesos per unit. So, we sell it for 12,000. Very affordable. Gross profit per unit, 6,085. So we gain 6,085 per unit sold. So in our first year, we projected sales of 135 units, totaling 1 million pesos in revenue and 6,085 in gross profit.
Smart East Lamp,
Your light in the dark.
You're calm in the storm, where affordability meets the quality. Thank you.
Thank you.